participant of the Powerhouse Power Minute.
I'm very privileged.
Thank you, thank you. We appreciate your time. Coming here today just to kind of do a little bit of highlight on the services that you've done such a great job with over the years, helping my clients, helping our clients. So we thought we'd just take a second and come in and say hello and let you take the mic and talk a little bit about the services you provide.
Yeah, thanks. Thanks, Paul. Thanks, Kelly, for coming in. And it's, like I said, a great pleasure to be on the first Power Minute. So I really appreciate that. Carson Law basically has a unique group of value adds. We call it the YS.
Yeah.
We have a loyalty ladder discount for our clients. So every time a client retains us to do a file, on their next subsequent file, they'll always get a preferred rate on the legal fees. We also offer, with the real estate specifically, we offer something called a key guarantee.
Mm-hmm.
So what that is a lot of times we have clients wonder, when do I get to pick up the key?
We never get that question. Never.
All the time.
When? Paul, we're closed today. When do we get the keys?
So exactly. We do have a list of criteria to qualify for the key guarantee,
Yes.
but it's simple things like the agreement from you guys comes 30 days or more before the closing.
Yeah.
We get mortgage instructions a week before. We get home insurance a week before. So if all those things are done, we basically guarantee that they can get the key from our office at 2 o'clock on the day of closing.
Oh, that's amazing.
So most of the time that's works pretty well for people because the movers kind of will finish them around noon, 1 o'clock
Yeah.
earliest.
Yeah.
So then they swing by, get the key, and boom, they're in their new place and they're thrilled, right?
Perfect.
It's peace of mind.
Well, we will take off 50% off our account. So the legal fee will be cut by 50% if we weren't able to deliver. And really we're confident to do that because we're comfortable that if we have everything according to the checklist, there should be really no reason other than we just didn't get our job done the way we want to
Right.
for that key.
Right.
But we've never actually, in the 1.5 or so years that we've been doing that value add, we've never actually had to cut our account, which is, I guess that's good. Two, we have a team-based approach, which makes it so the client should have an easier point of contact almost at all times. Actually, I guess one of our newest value adds, which we're working on dealing with our tech and operations department on, is we're working on creating a portal system.
Mm-hmm.
So really becoming even more tech savvy,
Yeah.
so that people will be able to kind of follow exactly like you said in real time where files are. So it's really, we try to make our process with the team-based approach and with these implementations of technology we're trying to do, we're trying to really make transparency huge, right? And I almost forgot one of the most important ones. So we also offer mobile signing. So
How
lots.
far out do you go?
So on our website, we have a map that kind of shows, but the easiest way of describing it is 2 hours in any direction
wow.
of this office.
That's pretty far.
Yeah. So we had to make it a pretty broad geographic coverage. We wanted people to feel, oh, these guys can be my lawyer for literally the Golden Horseshoe.
Right.
And perfect. So I don't
that's great.
need to turn anywhere else.
Yeah, that's a great service.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
So altogether, that's our YS at Carson Law.
That's good. Well, thank you so much for that. Appreciate your time.
Yeah. Huge, right? So
I heard your stomach go "Rrr," like it wanted to ask a question. Sorry, Ryan.
that's okay.
That's good. The blooper. I was like, oh my God, Kelly. Did you not hear that?
No.
Oh, it was loud.
We better get some Starbucks.
Sounds like my
Oh
dog.
my God, that was so funny.
Rover here.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thanks, Kelly.
That's great.
That was Power Hour, by the way.
Power hour.
Yeah, that was in a minute, eh?
We do a
No,
lot
it's
of
all right. We'll
editing.
cut it down. Cut her out. I was like,
I
oh.
didn't hear a thing.
Oh, it was like
I
this.
know,
It was like that. I was like, whoa, Kelly, feed your dogs.
No,